Folks, I guess you can tell by the get up I got on that might be going for a little ride. I had the Scandic laid up all last winter because didn't have any snow basically, and today it's a chance, first chance this season I get at it. We do have lots of snow. See what's up on the country. I haven't been up there yet, but there's a lot down around the cabin. I don't know what's up on the country. We'll see when we get up there. But we're going to go for a little ride, basically. That's what we're doing today. Just for a ride, just to do some exploring. Because we got about 40-60 millimeters of rain coming tomorrow. So this will probably be my last chance for this season to get a bit of snowmobiling again. Anyway, folks, I'll take you along. Nothing special, just take you on a skidoo ride. See how far I can get out with the trails that are up there. Anyway, talk to you later, folks. Hang on, where we go for a ride. can hear me. I know it's a bit windy, but just out for a quick skidoo ride, first one of the season, and I think might be the last one because we got like some major rain on the way now for tomorrow, so that's gonna put a damper in any snowmobiling for sure. Anyways, good to get the old Scandic 380 out for a run. She works like a top, I gotta say. It's not cold out, and I'm not cold with these on, I tell you guys. These are snot catchers and everything. These are a gift that I received from Quentin, actually, just before Christmas. And Quentin doesn't do any snowmobiling as such, but he had these mitts, and he asked if I could use them for snowmobiling. So yes, Quentin, my friend, they are coming in dandy and use today. Appreciate them very much, buddy. Thank you again. You got Quentin is a vet. Excuse me, guys. Quentin is a loyal subscriber, guys. He watches all the Newfoundland YouTubers. If you see a quote from him or a comment from him in the videos, give him a shout out for sure. Anyway, I'm going to head on back now. This is some new territory for me. Like I said, we haven't had much winter in the last few years to get up here. And this is the first time I've been up here on a snowmobile. I actually went right to the transmission line that time. The Nalcor line out from up from my cabin, so it's the first time I've been up here, so it's good to explore the area and good to see what's around. A few tracks of bunnies, seen a few coyote tracks too. No moose, no moose don't hang out here in the wintertime, I guess. Anyway folks, I'm going to get back to the cabin now, and I guess we'll put this away now for the year because 40 millimeters of rain tomorrow, 60 millimeters in some areas. It's not going to be much to do after this. Anyway, guys, talk to you later.